So it is, what time is it? 7:30 p.m. We have a flight out of LAX at 11 o'clock. We're traveling to Turks and Caicos today. So we're heading to the airport right now. Actually, we're supposed to be heading to the airport. We have to go pick up Aiden. He's at his cousin's house and they're like 15 minutes away. But look who's still packing. Hi, babe.
Hi. Why
I told them earlier.
Why I was getting us ready, doing all the work outside. You were busy packing. So it's okay.
So now he's putting his stuff together. But anyway, he's almost done. And then we get to go. I'm excited because I've never been to Turks and Caicos. I've always wanted to go there because the water looks so beautiful. So I can't wait. Anyway, this is how messy the RV looks like when we're packing. By the way, let me show you guys real life RV stuff right now as we're packing, getting ready to go. All right. Come on, son. Are you catching up? All right, come on. So we picked up Aiden at his cousin's, and we just made it to the airport. Aiden, you're about to get left. What are you looking at? Sure. Good?
Really staying here for one day?
Staying where for one day?
Here.
You know this is your birthday trip, right?
No.
Well, now you do. So you get to pick any snack you want. Let me have your luggage. Go pick any snack you want. Hurry up. Let me see what you picked. You picked Takis? Okay, awesome.
How much?
$28.
Is it a tap or is it a slot?
Aiden, why are you walking like that? You got a face?
I don't know what you're doing.
Aiden, did you check your seat number? You know what number it is? Hi, Aiden, drinking apple juice.
Just looking for something to put.
Something to put where? To watch?
Yes.
It's good?
Your name?
Okay.
Your name?
Come on, factor between 3 and 3. And which is 3, because 3 can divide 3 and 3 can...
All done?
No, do it.
Bye.
No, I just have to wait.
Sleepy baby.
Head off the back this way, right? I'll be trying.
Hi, sleepy baby.
Oh, okay. How are you? Welcome.
I'm in the
Thank you, my friend. little crazy. February, the month
Yes.
of love.
How did you know that? It was.
Month of love.
Oh, I was like, how did you know it was his birthday?
Amazing 3 days birthday.
She said she cannot have it. Well, thank you. Over to me and I said I don't fill forms. Thankfully, I don't have to fill forms. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Orange juice, grenadine, and rum. So, the rum is on the top. I'm pretty sure you figured that out from the face that I just made. Oh, they didn't mix it. It's so strong. Look who's still drinking his drink. Wow. Look at that!
It's our birthday, right?
Yes, you say thank you?
Because I realized it was you, I didn't want to just pop.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're gonna get your balloons?
Thank you.
Wow, how special. Thank you so much. Ah! Did you see that? What is it?
It's happy birthday, Hayden.
They have a cake for you. Oh, look. Did you see that? It's a card that says happy birthday, Aiden.
Thank you.
We are heading out. Babe, you look tired.
Yeah, because I'm hungry and I'm sleepy.
He's hungry and sleepy. We are leaving the room now to go find some.
Finally.
He said finally. And Aiden has his balloon that was brought to him for his birthday, right?
Yes.
I hope it doesn't fly off.
Can't.
Babe, where are we gonna
Mama
go eat?
can't.
Straight up that way.
Okay. So we're gonna go figure out where to eat right now.
Oh, let's get out of your way.
This is what we're having today. Look at the beach back there. It's so beautiful. And waiting to get seated. Aiden, what kind of face is that? Be careful, you're gonna eat your hair.
Just let me go next time, okay? You don't need to tell me I'm coming. Oh boy.
Wow, look at that. And then we have mussels. What are you eating? Just bread? So Aiden, you're eating with a balloon hanging on your arm? Don't put too much food in your mouth. Here, baby, you're gonna hang out over here? So we are back in the room after dinner. And Aiden is in his jammies and his sleeping cap. He's ready for bed. You're not ready for bed? So what are you doing here? You're just gonna hang out and watch? Okay. Aiden's gonna hang out here and watch, but I think I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna go up because our room, it's in my jammies. I got my sleeping cap on. Aiden, you gonna stay here or you gonna come up with me and Dad? He's gonna stay down here. All right. That's a war turtle. Aiden's like obsessed with Pokemon now for some reason. Anyway, I am going up to bed because our bed is actually upstairs and Aiden's is down here. Let me show you guys. Aiden's bed is down here. Our bed, you have to go all the way up the stairs to get to it. So, all right, baby. I'll see you later. Son. Son. Hello, son. Hello. He is so fixed. He can't even hear me. I said, I'll see you later, baby. Bye, son. He's already sleeping. So that is it for day one of our vacation in Turks and Caicos. Make sure to like and subscribe. So I decided I'm gonna vlog every single day that we're on vacation, guys. I don't know if I can hold myself accountable, but I decided I'm gonna do it. And when I decided I'm gonna do something, I do it. So I'm gonna vlog every single day that we're on vacation. Today is day one. We just got to Turks and Caicos, so I'm gonna show you guys like what our day looks like every day that we're here and what we're up to and what we do. I'm gonna do my best. I can't guarantee that it's gonna be like perfect, but I'm gonna do my best. Anyway, so he's sleeping. Aiden's down, watching stuff on his tablet. He'll probably go to bed in a little bit. We flew last night. We left California last night, flew to New York, Newark, New Jersey. We're there for a few hours, then flew here. So we've been traveling like all night, so we're exhausted. I don't know why Aiden's not tired, because I'm tired personally. But I'm ready to go to bed. I'm gonna wait till, give Aiden some time on his tablet to watch, relax a little bit, and then I'll have him go get some rest and go to sleep while I go to sleep too. But in the meantime, I'm gonna do some work before I go to sleep. All right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can follow along for our 7 days in Turks and Caicos and see what we're up to and what we're doing and basically how it is out here. All right, peace out. Bye.